welcome to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Sorry. Now this is the PE version of the board game Sorry. It's very fun, very limited equipment, so don't go anywhere. For this activity, you're only gonna need a few items. You're gonna need 4 paper plates. You're gonna label them 1, 2, 3, and 4. A sock ball, remember 2 socks. Fold it together, just roll it up nice and slow until they make a nice little sock ball. And then as well as a bucket, it could be a container. If you want to use a gallon-sized water, cut it in half, you can use that as well. Anything that you can toss your sock ball into. All right, so I'm going to show you 2 variations of the game. I'm going to do it by myself, single, and I'm going to do it with a partner. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to stand behind the line. You're going to toss your sock ball underhand. So make sure you have your opposite foot forward, your dominant foot back. You're going to swing your arm back in a tic-tac motion and then release. Your goal is to get them in order of 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is going to be your bucket or whatever you have at the end. So if I toss it and I make it inside my paper plate, which I did not, then I will pick up my plate and take it back to my team, and then I will aim for the second one. But since I missed it, I'm going to leave the paper plate there. I'm going to get my sock ball and go back and toss it again. And I'm going to go back again. And I'm going to keep doing it until I collect all 4. Once I start collecting them and I make it, my goal is to be able to toss it and make it inside my last object, which is my bucket. Once I make it in there, I'm going to stop my time, or I'm just going to see how quickly I can do this, okay? So stay tuned and I'm going to go and demonstrate this activity. All right, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so I made it in the first one. He's going to go to the next one. Didn't quite, it has to land on the plate. Very close. There you go, we got 2. On to his next plate. Almost. Now plate number 3. Oh, almost. He's in record time right now. 3, now he's on plate number 4. Keep going, work hard, work hard, work hard. And it's on, that counts, it was on the rim. All right, so now he has to make it in the bucket, and then he has to run back and say sorry. On his last level number 5. Made it in the bucket, sorry, at 1:29. Jordan has now completed the game of sorry, so I'm gonna try to beat his time. I got 1. Quite almost. That's 2. It's 3. All right, now plate number 4. Last one. The bucket for sorry. Time, 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Jordan beat me this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the game. Sorry, that single player, I'll show you guys it with 2 players at the same time. Go. Jordan won, and that's okay. I'm gonna give him a high five for being a good sport. I work hard. I'm gonna get myself better so I can beat him next time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the game. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.